Hi, my name is David Ma. I'm a food visualist and commercial director, and today I'm giving you 5 tips on food styling and food shooting. Tip number 1, you don't always have to use fake food. You'll see a lot of videos online of food stylists using like mashed potatoes and glue and motor oil and all these things, and post capabilities are a lot better now than they were back when those videos were made in the early 2000s or even the 90s. So understand that a lot can be fixed in post, and you don't always have to use weird chemicals and things to make the food look good. Number 2, try to make the ordinary vastly interesting. Get abstract with a strawberry. If you're used to seeing, pasta being dropped into water from above a lot, maybe instead shoot it in a fish tank and get a side profile of the pasta shooting through the water. Three, simple actions for cooking do not always translate to simple on camera. Oftentimes, Riley will build me an intricate rig for something like pouring things out of a pan. It's something that could be achieved with humans or a hand model, but sometimes machines have a bit more accuracy, and when we need to repeat something, 20, 30 times, we need for focus and lighting and everything to be hitting at the exact points. So don't be afraid to overthink sometimes as well. Number 4, don't be overprotective of your ideas or your methods. I think the greatest thing that I've learned from social media is I've picked up so many tips, tricks, ideas just from looking at what other people are willing to share of their knowledge. And I think that when you share your techniques, your methods, it forces you to innovate, and it keeps you on your toes. Like, you're not going to repeat that same rig. You're not going to do the same thing over and over again because you put it out there, and now you're enabling younger creators or somebody who may not have had a film school background to get into your arena and to start tinkering and inspiring them to play a bit with food themselves.
Hit that first one, walk in again and hit that little one, and then you can hit that big press again.
5, no one can do everything themselves, and the reason that we hire people and work with crews is because there are people who have dedicated decades of their lives to lighting, to production design, to color theory. And of course, at the end of the day, this is still your vision as the director, but the more you can relinquish control to the people around you and enable them to create using their skill set, using their ideation, the better the final result's going to come out. And of course, you're there to kind of keep them playing on the right lane and making sure that everything collectively ladders up to the singular vision. But I've had the most success with taking off the ego of like, I'm the director and I decide everything, and instead empowering others to do what they do best, to bring that vision to life. Well guys, I hope this was informative and helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please drop them in the comments. I'd love to chat with you guys about them. And if you want to find me on social, my Instagram and TikTok is @DavidWMa, and my website is davidmafilms.com. Thanks for coming.